In many aspects of our daily lives, we rely on centralization more than we realize. In media, banking, and most definitely in data storage. These centralized systems are controlled by a single entity, and it's surprising how much trust and control users are willing to surrender, often without realizing the full extent of their reliance on centralized systems. Think of a centralized design like a single bridge connecting an island to the mainland. If the bridge collapses, no one can get in or out. It's inaccessible, susceptible to failure, and even costly to repair. That's a centralized system. It operates with a single point of control, so it creates a single point of failure. Therefore, if it fails due to an outage, or even the entity decides to pull the plug, everything collapses, leaving you vulnerable. In 2024, Google deleted UniSuper's accounts, taking their entire site offline for weeks. It was one of Australia's largest superannuation funds, managing $139 billion for over 647,000 members. You see, this example of a cloud storage service is still a physical infrastructure. It's made up of servers and data centers located in centralized real-world locations. As developers, you should know it's a trap. Yes, you can build on services like AWS, but what happens when a service fails or a change in policy? You're stuck. And if you try to leave, massive egress fees, making migration nearly impossible. So, on the other hand, let's say instead of a bridge, we have a network of boats. If one breaks down, passengers can switch to another boat and keeping the connection between the island and the mainland going. It's cheaper to repair a single boat than an entire bridge, and there's always alternatives to maintain access. That's how decentralization works. There's no point of failure, and there's distribute decisions across multiple nodes, similar to a mesh network. You see, decentralized design is already shaping modern infrastructures and systems, with DeFi, smart contracts, the blockchain, VPNs, and even corporate governance through DAOs. So, in terms of cloud storage, ask yourself, how badly do you want to control, manage, and access your data? The move from a traditional centralized cloud storage to a decentralized one isn't about abandoning what you know, it's about having more options and control. A decentralized data cloud storage solution like Zaya aims to protect people's data and enable a new generation of private applications through a secure, open source, and decentralized design. In a pure peer-to-peer network, users connect directly to resources, maintaining greater control over their data. Designed to counter issues that arise from node failures, ensuring uninterrupted operation with built-in redundancy. That's why Zaya stands as the world's safest cloud storage. Not by chance, but by design.